Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we will explore Advanced Micro Devices in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the second day of May in the year 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 7.42. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 57.5% since we first listed Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate 50 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.15% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders as a reaction back toward the lower segment of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $157.62 would primarily indicate an accelerated rate of increase. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 58.85% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 38.45% and 60.91%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 23.88%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 68.07% to negative 23.88% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $49.68 and $118.44. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, "On Tuesday, Advanced Micro Devices stock price gained an impressive 6.41%. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price gained 6.41% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025. The price rose from $146.24 to $155.61. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.33%, ranging from a low of $153.56 to a high of $158.68. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 9.66% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased on the last day, alongside the price, a positive technical indicator, with a total of 50 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 92 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $14.27 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $179.75, while the lowest price was $76.48. Currently, the price is 13.43%, or $24.14, below the 52-week high and 31.54%, or $71.69, below the all-time high, which was recorded on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $227.30. Recent developments for Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, are creating a wave of optimism among investors. Today, AMD's shares surged by a little over 7%, buoyed by the announcement that the United States will resume exports of the MI308 AI chips to China. This reversal in policy comes after a tough period for AMD, during which it had anticipated incurring up to $800 million in charges due to these export restrictions. Additionally, AMD is positioning itself as a significant player in the AI market. Analysts note that AMD's open-source approach and its rapid integration with major hyperscalers could allow it to capture a meaningful slice of AI revenues, even without directly dethroning NVIDIA. In the short term, these developments are likely to drive significant investor confidence and market interest, potentially leading to further price increases. As AMD continues to recover its growth trajectory and successfully navigates global market dynamics, long-term prospects appear increasingly favorable. This is particularly resonant against a backdrop of a growing enthusiasm for AI, where both AMD and its competitors like NVIDIA are expected to benefit substantially. Thus, AMD's current momentum could position it well for a prosperous future in the tech ecosystem. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a hold grade along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned AMD an overweight grade with an upgrade action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, Wolfe Research also assigned AMD an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On the same day, HSBC assigned AMD a buy grade with an upgrade action. On Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, Bernstein assigned AMD a reduce grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio a strong sell, while the price-to-book value receives a rating of neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The Advanced Micro Devices stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicating that the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be anticipated at the levels of $143.35, as well as $128.85. A breakdown below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivotal bottom point on Monday, July 7, 2025, and the stock has since risen by 15.44%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Volume is also increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have been noted, and these may impact short-term developments. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal, 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 15 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, buy signal 51 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 50 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 57 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 45 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 34 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $127.10 and $126.39. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this is breached, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this case, Advanced Micro Devices finds support just below today's level at $127.10. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $126.39 and $117.72. This stock exhibits average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $5.12 between its high and low, which is a change of 3.33%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.29%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 54 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Advanced Micro Devices encounters its first support level at $127.10. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Advanced Micro Devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 15th of June, 2025, Guido Philipp conducted an insider purchase of 7,494 shares of common stock. On the same day, Guido Philipp also conducted an insider sale of 2,097 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 15th of June, Guido Philipp sold 7,494 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2025, Papermaster Mark D conducted an insider purchase of 17,500 shares of common stock. On that same day, Papermaster Mark D also sold 16,586 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 7.633. Overall, insiders purchased 691,669 shares and sold 811,905 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $150.04, representing a decrease of 3.58%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom identified 6 days ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Advanced Micro Devices holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it to be a wise choice at these current levels, expecting further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been upgraded from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of July, we anticipate Advanced Micro Devices will open higher by 34 cents and begin trading at $155.95. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.